Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby. Gabby's Vlog. Our today, tungkol sa bagong album ni Ice Guerra at alamin natin yan. But, subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views at abutin ng 508. Supportan natin sa ating social media account. This vlog for today, 359 and episode 359. And title, Being Ice. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights about the new album. Okay, eto na. Last Friday, nirelease na ang full-length all-original album ni Ice Guerra entitled Being Ice. After 10 years na after 10 years na huling may album ni Ice entitled Araw-Gabi, mga awit ni Maestro Ryan na ginamit dati as Ice sa Guerra. Na yun, 10 years in the making. Ice is a new album, Ice Guerra. So supposedly dati is I Am Ice. Pero, na-change to Being Ice. Kasi ayaw ko sa I Am Ice. Tapos, Being Ice na lang. Okay, eto na. Ang title of that album contains 8 songs and 1 bonus tracks. Including the carrier singles, Shelter of the Broken, Power by Nandyan Ka, Wag na lang pala, Anino, Ikaw lang yun, Lost in Time, ano yung kulang pa ng dalawa, wag na kasi baka palimutin yung dalawa, but stream na sa ating all digital platforms. Plus, the bonus track of Shelter of the Broken duet version featuring Moira Del Torre na last week nag-perform sa ASAP live episode. Yan. August 3. Okay. And of course, nakaroon ng guesting sa Eat Bulaga last Friday with Wag na lang pala song, including in the album. And this coming next month, September 12 and 30, gaganapin ang Being Ice concert or Being Ice Live, the concert experience featuring video kay hits and the Ice Guerra experience. Kasama po dyan sa day 1 si Mr. Pure, muna man natin yung sessionistas like Kiat Cipriano, Duncan Ramos, and Noy Volante, and Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Balasha. While that day 2, we have Princess Velasco, City Navarro, and Juice Fernandez. And ang ating bossing na bayan, Bossing Big Soto, sa day 2 ng Being Ice Concert Experience, Ice Experience. And of course, for the album is now available on all music streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, and others. Under Fire and Ice Music and distributed by Star Music. Stream now and hopefully. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye. God bless.